Welcome to day 9, 10, and 11 in my December daily album. For day 9, I'll be using the Stitched Circles die from Simon Says Stamp to die cut the pictures of my kids. The plan is to add the picture onto their individual wish lists. I cropped the photos to 3.5 by 3.5 in Photoshop and then trimmed them using the die. And now I'm just adhering the picture to each of the tags. At this point, I decided that I wanted to add their age to each of the tags. I'm using these puffy stickers from Ali Edwards. I've had them for quite a bit of time, and the color looks really good with the greens that are in the prints of the patterned papers. Unfortunately, they were not very adhesive. The adhesive wasn't very sticky, so I had to individually glue the numbers onto the tags using the liquid adhesive you see there. It's a really good adhesive, and I'm confident that the numbers won't come off now that I've used it to add the number stickers to the tags. I noticed that in the video I didn't add the number day. I end up doing that later using the same number stickers to add the number 9 to this pocket page. And that is it for day 9, quick and simple. Day 10 is about my daughter's concert. The program was way too big. I decided to include the information on a piece of vellum that I'm adding to a piece of patterned paper and adhering it with those cute little star brads that I found at Michael's. I have a bunch of star brads in my stash, but they're really big and clunky. These are petite and look really good. They're full of glitter too. I'm using that sticky tape to adhere the journaling to the back of that pocket page from day 9 and just re-punching the holes using my power punch. I'm using the plastic number 10 to adhere it to the photo of my daughter at her concert and using a star brad to attach it. I like repeated elements, and this is a way of repeating an element and connecting the two pages together and adhering that plastic adhesive, or adhering the plastic number, sorry. Once I adhere that 5 by 7 photo to the pattern paper, I'm on a search for word strips to add, and I just go with something, I think it says magical moments or something like that, I don't remember. And then I add one to the left side of the page as well. I wanted to add one more element and decided to add this snowflake ribbon that I bought at Target a couple of years ago. And that is it for day 10. Day 11, I decided to add the journaling to one of the tags that is about 4 by 8 in size, and I wanted to create a pocket, and so I adhered patterned paper to the back of day 10, created a pocket for the tag. I'm looking for some ribbon to add to the top of there. I couldn't find my tiny attacher. I'm pretty sure my daughter has it in her room. I'm glad I didn't find it though, because I end up changing the design when I start working on day 12, because that tag does not come in and out of that pocket easily at all. When I put it in the page protector and pull out the tag, the entire page comes out. And you'll see in my next video how I adjust the design for that tag so that I eliminate that situation entirely. Now I'm just adding the number 11 to a hexagon shape that I trimmed out of pattern paper. This story is about my oldest son when he was about 3 or 4 years old. When I was decorating, I found that photo and decided I wanted to add it in my December daily album since I wasn't displaying it anymore in the house. I used the vellum to tone down that pattern paper because I felt like it clashed a little bit too much with the photo itself. And that's it. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.